Welcome to week 36 of Where Am I Investing? Over the past 35 weeks, I have invested in four mutual funds: Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund, Bandhan Small Cap Fund, HDFC Focus 30 Fund, and Parikh Flexi Cap Fund. Here is how these funds are performing. Motilal Oswal Midcap Fund is up 0.4% with a CAGR of 0.5%. Bandhan Small Cap Fund is up 7% with a CAGR of 16%. HDFC Focus 30 Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 39%. And Parikh Flexi Cap Fund is up 12% with a CAGR of 32%. My overall portfolio is up 5% with a CAGR of 10%. And for some perspective, Sensex has grown just 1% with a CAGR of 1% since I started on October 14th, 2024. So, despite not chasing hot stocks or trying to predict the market, the strategy of steady, disciplined investing is quietly working. Coming to this week's investment, I invested again in Bandhan Small Cap Fund and I kept the investment amount same as week 1. That means if I started with 1000 rupees in week 1, I invested 1000 rupees again this week. But why Bandhan Small Cap Fund again? That's because small cap offer high growth potential when the economy is in a momentum phase. I believe this is one of those windows. Bandhan Small Cap Fund has shown strong performance, a well diversified portfolio, and relatively good downside protection for a small cap fund. I'm not trying to time the market, but when I see a fund aligning with market sentiment and backed by strong fundamentals, I stay consistent with it. That's what I'm doing this week. If this honest journey is helping you think long term, smash that like button so YouTube knows this video is worth showing to more investors. Comment below which fund I should consider next. Share this with someone who's just starting out and needs to see what slow, steady investing looks like. And of course, hit subscribe so you don't miss week 37. That wraps up week 36 of Where Am I Investing? I hope to see you again next week. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This channel simply documents my personal investing journey for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research or consult a certified professional before investing.